It's winter, presented by Rainy Lake, north of the Twin Cities, gateway to Voyageurs National Park. Rainy Lake is your Minnesota vacation destination, spring, summer, fall, and winter. Plan your trip at rainylake.org.
Certainly feels like winter. We've been spending more time inside during this bitter cold, but this could be a nice opportunity to try out a new winter hobby.
That's right. So the Artery Studio is a stained glass art studio in Anoka that offers a variety of very fun classes. So reporter Kristen, she takes us there.
So we are going to wrap every single piece we've got with some copper foil tape. And if you can't see me from where you're sitting, the TV screens up on the wall should work well for you.
We're talking all about stained glass, and it's so beautiful the way the light passes through it. You know, I remember being in church, right, and looking at the big stained glass windows with the biblical scenes, and it's enchanting how it all works. So tell us why this is your favorite medium and how you got started.
That's exactly why it's my favorite medium, all the light and the color just working together. So I grew up just loving everything art. I've always been into painting, drawing, coloring, binding books, making jewelry, anything. I actually learned about this my senior year of high school. I was PSEO at Anoka Ramsey, and they have a whole semester-long program there. Took it in 2004, fell in love with it.
Wow.
And I just carried on with it at home ever since.
And you help to speed up the process so that we can actually leave with a completed project.
There's a little blade right on the end and oil in the barrel here, lubricating the blade. I'm looking at that notch that the blade was housed in as I push it across the glass. For most of my evening classes, I cut the kits ahead of time, and there's a lot of like jagged stuff that maybe we don't want to have. So I design, cut, and grind the glass for you to pick up in the middle of the process. So you would pick it up at the foiling and soldering stage, and you'd leave that night with it. You're gonna roll kind of like an abnormal shaped wheel into that tape.
One piece down. A lot more to go.
So I was a teacher for 5 years. I taught kindergarten through 8th grade art most recently. I taught high school my first year. I always wanted to do this in the school system, but it just didn't really work out that great. And that's actually where this grew from. This was kind of like my after-school job that now became my real job. Yeah.
So Krista, you're getting married soon.
Yes.
And instead of having a traditional bouquet of flowers, you are creating your own glass flowers. How special is this?
Exactly.
So cool.
One of my absolute favorite classes is the Scrappy Flowers class. So I've made these. This is just a few of what I'm hoping to have in my bouquet for my wedding day.
So gorgeous and extra meaningful.
Yes. So our goal is to get everything pinned together, just little drops to hold everything together. And I would start near the center with yours and then kind of spiral outward.
Okay.
I try to explain exactly the science behind what is happening for sure. Like we have a lot of gravity and physics that are happening with it. And when I kind of make a joke about we have gravity, liquids drop down, kind of keeps in mind how the solder is going to flow downward. So that really helps connect it, the science and art side, and make it make sense for people, and they can have a lot of success. I'm just putting a drop between two pieces every now and then until I know I've got everything stuck.
That's really fun. Good job. Oh, I'm like kind of nervous, I'm shaking.
And then you can pick up the whole structure. It's going to be delicate, but you can pick it up.
Wacky bird?
Yes.
What is this one about?
So this is a similar idea to the flowers. We generate a lot of scrap material here, but none of it is ever garbage. There's usually a lot of pieces that will work well for something else. Exactly. Yep. So that's what that bird came from. I usually start with the body, so I'm looking for something that's big enough to be the body, and then I'll fill in the pieces with the tail and the beak and add some legs, and we've got a scrappy bird.
Boom. And I love that it can stand on its own. It's similar to the pet ones as well, where you don't need to have them in a window.
Exactly.
But these can be really fun for people if they have a kitty or a dog at home.
Yes, that is one of my popular classes too. You get to do all your cutting and designing for that class and take it home same night.
Allie, when did you first start coming to the Artery Studio?
November 2023. I came with my husband. We were just looking for something to do.
A unique date night?
Yeah, just
I love that.
Like something like let's go find something fun. It was pretty cool because it's something I've never done before.
And what are you working on today? Hold that up if you don't mind.
Yeah, I'm in the midst of making a lotus flower.
Beautiful. My first class at the Artery was so much fun, and I think this is the only kind of snowflakes we want to see for the rest of the year.
Very fun. Thank you, Kristen. The Artery Studio is offering a special deal for all of you. If you'd like to take advantage of it, you certainly can. Take 25% off any class through the end of March. You just use the promo code ArteryTCL. That's all one word, and we posted a link with more information on our website, twincitieslive.com.